Hello gentlemen, it's Dr. McTurnan here. Today we're going to be doing some experiments. In the first step, we take our sieve and we put our cheesecloth in the sieve. You will have pre-blended fruit, and the idea is we're going to strain this through the cheesecloth to get a clear juice. If the liquid's not moving through it too quickly, you can grab the cheesecloth and you can wring it out, leaving the pulp in the cloth. Notice I also have the sieve there, which will catch any other pulp that manages to get through the cheesecloth. You can stop the process once you've got about 100 mils of pulp-free juice. In the next step, we weigh out 1 gram of sodium alginate. This is going to be our gelling agent. Make sure you're pouring it into the weighing boat. If anything gets on the scales, like I did, you can wipe it off using paper towel. Pour the 100 milliliters of pulp-free juice into your blender container. Your blender container might look different than this. Next, add the 1 gram of sodium alginate into the pulp-free juice. Blend the mixture until all of the alginate has dissolved. Pour the alginate juice mixture into a small bowl. Weigh out 5 grams of calcium lactate. Add the calcium lactate to 500 mils of water in a large bowl. Stir thoroughly. Use the pipette to add the alginate juice mixture dropwise to the calcium lactate solution. It should form little spheres which will drop to the bottom of the container. Try to make as many spheres as you can in 5 minutes. Experiment with different drop sizes to create different sphere sizes. If the balls are not spherical, you might not have added enough alginate, or your calcium chloride solution might not be strong enough. If the balls are not spherical, you might not have added enough alginate, your solution might need to be blended for longer, or you might not have added enough calcium lactate to the water. Drain the balls into a clean sieve. replace the water in the bowl and then add the balls back in to rinse. You may need to rinse the balls multiple times. Hold it there. Drain the balls into a tea strainer. Transfer them to a clean sample vial. Then you can label it, put the lid on, and we can store them for the next experiment. Here are your finished edible spheres.